Hey everyone, Chaitanya Sagar here and welcome to C Sagar. So in this video today we are diving into the dynamic world of data visualization, and our spotlight is on one of the most versatile tools in the data analysis toolkit, that is bar chart. Whether you are a seasoned coder or just trying your Python journey, right? So understanding how to create a compiling bar chart is a valuable skill. So we will explore the basics of bar chart creation in Python using two popular libraries. One is Matplotlib and another is Seaborn. So let's get started. Before we dive into the code, let's understand why bar charts are essential in the world of data analysis. Bar charts are powerful tools for visually representing data, providing a clear and easy way to communicate insights. Whether you are dealing with sales figures, survey response, or any other data sets, bar charts make patterns and trends easily understandable. So let's start with Matplotlib, a foundational plotting library in Python. To begin, we need to import Matplotlib. You can do this by typing import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. Let's import Pandas library as well. So if you have not already installed Matplotlib, you can do that using pip install Matplotlib. So we are importing Matplotlib library and the Pandas library right now. Okay, so we'll be using a whole population dataset from Kaggle as an working example for this video. So I have already downloaded whole population dataset. Let's load it. Data is equal to pd dot csv. Now let's see what data is there in our data variable. So it has columns on rank, CCA3, country, continent, 2023 population and all. So as part of this video, I am considering two columns for bar chart. First one is country and second one is 2023 population. So country is equal to data of, right, population 2023 equal to data of 2023. Now let's plot the bar chart for this data. PLT dot bar of country. So I will be taking only first five countries and their population data. Variable is country. and the Y label is 2023 population. The, the title would be top 5 related countries in production. So here we have created a simple bar chart using Matplotlib. The x-axis represents countries and y-axis represents 2023 population. And we have basic visualization, but what if we want to customize the appearance for this chart? So Matplotlib offers extensive customization options. You can adjust colors, add grid lines, and fine-tune various elements to make your chart more visually appealing. So let's add that. Country view nation 2020. And colors, I'll be taking a list of red, orange, green, blue, and yellow. Now we'll add grid axis equal to y, and the line, and it's what's these points. So the rest of the data we can get it from this cell. So by customizing colors, adding grid lines, and tweaking other parameters, you can create charts that not only convey information but also look great. Now let's shift our focus to Seaborn. So Seaborn is built on top of Matplotlib, and it is designed for statistical data visualizations. So it simplifies the code and provides an additional layer of style. So if you haven't installed Seaborn yet, you can do that by running pip install Seaborn, same as for Matplotlib. So let's write our code for Seaborn now. So first we have to import Seaborn. Import as SNS. Now we'll use an bar plot function. SNS dot bar plot, and X is country of top 5, then Y equal to population 2023 of 5. Then color, will use a palette here, and we can use bodies, So again, we'll be giving labels to x and y axis, and plt dot x label is country, and plt dot y label is 2023 population. Then plt dot title, we have top 5 populated countries, and finally we'll use show. So here is a graph bar chart using Seaborn. So Seaborn's elegance lies in its simplicity. Like, I mean, with just few lines of code, we can create wonderful bar charts. And notice we have used Verity's color palette to enhance the aesthetics of the bar plot. Seaborn offers additional features for statistical data visualizations, such as error bars and confidence intervals. So now we have explored both Matplotlib and Seaborn. So let's compare these two. Matplotlib is a versatile and powerful library, allowing for extensive customization. On the other hand, Seaborn simplifies the code and provides the stylish default appearances, making it an excellent choice for a quick and elegant visualizations and all. So uh, we can do more experiments on it and explore and find the styles and all for a better visualizations. So that is on bar charts. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to C Sagar. We'll meet you with the next video.